Your quote.
Horse?
Quotes.
Quotes,
Oh.
quotes.
What's your quote?
Okay, I'm just read. Okay.
Is it one?
No, wait. I'm just
Don't read a lot. Just we need one.
okay.
Oh, we're
What's the
fine,
sound?
Sharon. Thank you.
Like on freedom and mind. Okay. A free man is he who is not a slave to his body, his passion, or his immediate surroundings.
You're not.
See, I'm writing.
Okay.
Oh, hello, Lucas. My bro is here. The another one. Like Zach, Lucas. Okay, that's great.
I'm sitting, bro. Like, what the fuck? Like, you just open my camera. Is he who?
What are you talking about?
Ayo, Sana.
I'm writing it.
Sana, what's your pronouns?
It's Dana.
What's your pronouns?
See?
Like,
Who's here?
he.
What?
See?
Oh, yeah, who's
See?
here?
I didn't
Is
hear it.
there?
Wait, invite Joseph, please. I'll be here just listening you guys.
Wait, is Joe here?
Joy, yeah,
I'm gonna
because I
go
just
down,
called him.
Ayo, Joe. Wait, Sasha, what the fuck?
Like, yeah.
Has see the quotes I'm writing. See,
I made you guys the mod, but I don't know if it's gonna come up. And he was. Ahmed, what are you talking about? I think you misunderstood something again.
no, it's a quote. See the quotes. Quotes,
Bro,
quotes.
we
What
talking
God?
we talking about
Mm.
something else, and Ahmed be reading quotes.
No, but I read it.
Hello
I'm
guys, what's
writing.
up?
Hi.
Wallah, hello.
Wallahi,
Wallah, wallah.
halawat.
Hey,
Ayo,
bro, like you blocked me.
Joe.
It's serious. Like it's serious, bro. Like it's serious. Are you
What serious?
like you blocked me, bro?
I broke you?
Yeah,
Block.
Block or broke? What did I
Block.
block,
do? No, I didn't
block,
block
bro.
you. No, I
Block,
didn't block.
bro.
He has proof.
Yeah,
Took it.
yeah, yeah. Just see the show the proof, Sina.
Did you send me the proof?
Yeah.
I think it was my other account.
Okay, but like you blocked me, I can show you it.
Okay, show me.
But like you didn't believe my words, bro. Like what's the problem with my words?
We didn't
Bro,
block you.
you unfollowed me. What you mean? Look at yourself.
I
You unfollowed me.
no, I didn't follow you. I have proof, bro. I follow.
Okay, and I followed you back.
Bro, this
Why
is
did you
another account.
unfollow
Joe,
me?
Joe, Joe.
Why
This
did
is
No,
you
another
it's
unfollow
not
me
I
the
back?
can't
same
I can't I
account.
can't for I can't for unfollow you, bro. Like you're like I don't know like what I'm talking about. But like
Show me.
you also like say me like show me the proof. But like I'm showing the proof. Like I'm saying.